A year ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 job. I was feeling stressed, uninspired, and I thought there had to be more to life. Today, I'm living on my own terms, traveling full-time, and redesigning my life. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. My name is Carly and I live full-time in this Mercedes Sprinter camper van with my Chihuahua Bailey. And I've just got back from a 2-month trip traveling Europe, mostly Spain. If you've been following my videos, hopefully you've enjoyed a lot of the vlogging content that I've been putting out, and there will be more to come in the new year for the next trip. Now, this is the final video of the manifestation series. I've been sharing with you the exact steps that I've been taking in my own personal manifestation experiment, really. In this video, I'm going to recap those steps. I'm going to share with you tools that I've created just for you, and I'm going to announce an exciting opportunity to work with me one-on-one for completely free. Stay tuned and watch until the end if that's something that would interest you. Let's get into the recap. The first step that we looked at in this manifestation process was desire and defining your vision. Desire is what fuels the direction of your life. It's the force that pulls you in the direction of what it is that you truly want. Defining your desire and defining your vision is all about tapping into that, letting go of expectations, letting go of limits, and really tapping in to what you desire. I'm going to link all of these videos below because I'll go into a lot more detail in the desire video, which is the very first video. Step 2 was setting intention, and in that video we talked about why it's important to set intention and how to do it. It's important to set an intention because it creates an aligned focus. An intention is a commitment to your vision, and that's a commitment from both you and your higher self or the universe from which you're asking for your desire. Step 3 was a big one. That was identifying the resistance. Resistance undoubtedly will crop up. No matter what your manifestation or what your desire is, there will be resistance of some description. So during the video where we looked at resistance, we talked about not denying it, not pushing it back into a box and pretending it isn't there. We talked about how to focus on it and reframe it. Step 4 in the process was letting go and trusting the process. And in this video, I talked about how it's just as important to let go of the desire and have trust as it is to do any other step in this process. I used an analogy where if you program a destination into your sat-nav, you trust that the sat-nav is going to calculate the route to get you to that destination. You don't keep checking the path every 5 seconds. You just trust that the workings are already at play to get you to that destination and map out your route. And that's exactly what you need to do within the manifestation process as well. Final step, step 5, was how to take aligned action. If you've identified your desire, if you've set the intention, you've probably identified the resistance and worked through that, you're trusting the process, but there is aligned action that you need to take also. Redesigning and manifesting things in your life is a co-creative process. You need to take action that is aligned with what it is that you're looking to manifest, and not just aligned with the energy of what it is you're looking to manifest, but aligned with the energy within you as well. I do go into a lot more detail in the video, so please do go back and watch it if you're intrigued to know what this step actually entails, because there is a lot of information on this one as well as all of the others. So why am I making these videos, you might be wondering? I mean, it's a subject that really fascinates me, and I'm looking to call upon my own experience to help others. That's something that I've always wanted to do. I just didn't know in what capacity it was going to be. If I can help others that were where I was a year ago and prior to that, stuck, absolutely feeling stuck, and that might be stuck in a 9-to-5, that might be just stuck in a rut or stuck in life in general. It could be anything. These steps apply to everybody that's got an open mind and is willing to make the changes that are necessary to completely redesign your life. And that's where the action is really important, because you might want to get unstuck, if you like, but if you're not willing to do the work, it's not going to work. You can't keep waking up every morning and think, oh, I hate this, I don't want to do this, but doing nothing about it. The trick is knowing what to do about it, and that's where I come in, and that's where hopefully these videos come in. So if this is resonating with you, stay tuned, because I'm now about to tell you what I've created in order to help you, and it's completely free. I have created a 5-step guide where I have put all of these videos into this guide. I've tried to cram as much information in as possible, and I've also put in quite a well thought out exercise for each step. Now, these are exercises that I have tried and tested, so I'm not just sprouting some manifestation stuff. This is stuff that I've tried and tested. It's all about rewiring your mind, because I kind of want to take you away from the idea of manifesting as well. That's why I've been introducing the word redesign, because a redesign is more of a whole look, and it involves manifestation because we're constantly manifesting. We're in a world where we are constantly manifesting. So we just need to work out how to focus that and actually give it a broader spectrum, as in redesigning your life. And I am offering you this guide free of charge. It's called 5 Steps on Redesigning Your Life. It's taken me a lot longer to create it than I thought, because I keep chopping and changing bits, because it's coming from my heart. It's something that I'm putting together based on what I'm doing and what I feel is intuitively right on how to help you do it too. I will link it below in the description. You'll be able to download it, and that is completely free. And I'd love to know what you think. If you download it, please come back and leave a comment below and let me know what you think, because redesigning and manifesting is an ongoing process. So if you like the guide, let me know. Your feedback is invaluable to me on things like this, because it's you I'm trying to help. This guide is not enough. So what I want to do is offer some one-on-one coaching. I want to create a program that I can use going forward to help people by coaching them one-on-one. In the new year, I am offering 3 spaces for a 4-week pilot program to coach 3 people, just 3, and it's going to be free of charge. Absolutely free of charge. I'm looking to design a program that is targeted at people who are perhaps at a crossroads in their life, or just feeling stuck and desperate for a change but don't really know what direction to go in, don't know what to do. Are you thinking, well, what else would I do? What else could I do? Then this program is going to be for you. You are my target audience. You need to have an open mind, and you need to be willing to do what it takes to redesign your life as well. I've met a lot of people on my journey so far, and I've met some really inspiring people that have completely changed their lives. And the general consensus is, and I agree with this because I found it in my own journey, is fear will hold you back if you let it. You cannot let it, because if you do, you're not going to make the changes that are necessary. You need to be ready, and if you are ready, then my program is for you. I'm going to take the knowledge that I've accumulated by redesigning my own life, and I'm going to combine it with what I've learned from others who have done the same, and also what I'm learning from others that I'm helping along the way as well. This is a pilot program. Effectively, you will be my guinea pigs, which is why I'm offering it completely free of charge. I want to establish first that my program and that my techniques actually work. You've got nothing to lose, really, and I've got nothing to lose. What I do know is I get really enthused about helping people that want to help themselves but just need a little bit of guidance, a little bit of coaching and support. That is where I get excited. To realise that there is a life out there beyond a current stuck situation, if that's where you are at the moment. There is a life beyond that, and it's out there waiting for you to take it. It's going to consist of a 4-week program with 1 video call per week, and there will be some check-ins along the way also, just to check on progress, answer any questions on the exercises, because I need you to help me create this program. I know what I've done, I know how I've redesigned my life and what's worked for me, but I want to put that into a program, if you like, that I can use to help other people going forward. The one-on-one coaching program will be designed for those who want personalised support in redesigning their life, especially if you don't know what that looks like yet, because I'd love to help you. I really would love to help you. How do you sign up, I hear you ask? And bearing in mind I've only got 3 spaces available. I'm not sure on the demand at this point, so if you are unsuccessful, don't worry, there will be more opportunities coming for you. So in order to sign up, you need to download the free guide, and there is a link on the final page of the guide, and you can click on that link, pick a date on the calendar, and it will be from the week starting the 13th of January, because applications for these spots close on the 10th of January. The week on the 13th of January, you will be able to select a time and a date to have a call with me, and we'll set up what this 4-week program is going to look like. Whether you're downloading the guide, applying for the one-on-one coaching, or simply watching my videos and taking the first steps in your own redesigning of your life, I want you to know that it is possible, because if I can do it, then I know you can do it too. And that just leaves me to say thank you for your support in this incredible last 2 months, and I'm really looking forward to bringing you more inspired content in 2025, and I'm thinking big, so hopefully I've got some good things in store for you that you will enjoy. Here's to helping you create the life that you love, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the new year in the next video.